Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to share with you guys something which is very much important for this winter season. As we all know that we are feeling cold in this season in the morning and night, so we definitely need some changes in our skin routine. So the one thing which is very much important for your skin these days is like scrubbing your skin, moisturizing it and keeping your skin like really very clean. So the product that I'm going to introduce and tell you the review about this product is this Caffeine. You must be knowing about this product. This is like a really natural product. It says that it is completely made from naked and rich cocoa. So the two product is this from this same brand. This is the coffee body scrub and the second one is the body butter. So I'm using these days and it like the results is like awesome. The first thing that I'm going to explain is the packaging of this product. It comes in this beautiful cardboard box, as you can see, and inside this you are going to get such a huge jar. It is made up of glass and you are going to get a lot of product in this. As you can see, I have used like for many times and it is not even half. The texture is like a very sand kind of texture, but it is like really very gentle on my skin, so you can definitely go for this. With this jar you're going to get a small wooden spoon which is very useful. You just have to take the scrub from this and you have to apply in your hand, legs and to your whole body for like 30 seconds and then wash it with water. And after doing that, after doing all those scrub, you need something which is very like moisturizing for your skin, and for that purpose it has made one more product which is this body butter. I am going to show you how it looks. The packaging of both the product is almost same. It also looks like same only. It comes in a this glass jar like this. I have used this a lot, but even now it looks so full. As you can see, the texture is very buttery and it makes your skin so soft and supple, and the smell of it is like out of this world. It smells like coffee, like pure coffee. So you can definitely go for this one. I'm going to tell you what's the price. I have just bought it from Nykaa, and where you are going to get discount like always. So it costs for rupees 645. This is the cost of this body butter. It is 645. So if you're going to purchase from Nykaa, you are definitely going to get some discount on that site. And this body scrub costs for rupees 449. As you can see, it costs for 449, but this is definitely worth it because it is a huge jar which you are going to use for like whole winter for sure. And it makes your skin so soothing and supple that is your skin is going to love it. So definitely try these two products and tell me how do you feel about this, because you are not going to regret after buying it. As I've used so many products, so many scrub, and the result of this one was like perfect. I'll definitely going to give it 10 out of 10. So just tell me how do you feel about this product, and let me know if you want to know about something more about any other product or any other beauty related product, skincare product. Definitely tell me. I'm going to give you a review about that product for sure. So till then, bye bye and take care.